Turkey, a fascinating nation at the nexus of Europe and Asia, is known for its compelling fusion of ancient history, vibrant culture, breathtaking landscapes, and kind hospitality. Every type of traveler can find something to enjoy in Turkey, which is a popular tourist destination, including history buffs, beach lovers, adventure seekers, and foodies. Turkey's extensive historical legacy is one of the country's most appealing features. The Hittites, Greeks, Romans, Byzantines, and Ottomans were just a few of the major civilizations that once called this nation home. The breathtaking historical ruins and archaeological sites dotting the landscape bear witness to this varied history. Just a few of the historical sites that are a must-see are the majestic Hagia Sophia in Istanbul, the ancient city of Ephesus, and the fantastical landscape of Cappadocia with its fairy chimneys. Turkey's cultural and economic center is Istanbul, the largest city in the nation. This magnificent city, which lies on two continents, features an intriguing fusion of the old and the new. In addition to taking advantage of contemporary conveniences and a buzzing nightlife, visitors can explore the Blue Mosque, Topkapi Palace, and the Grand Bazaar. Turkey has a variety of scenery, from the lovely beaches along the Mediterranean and Aegean shores to the rough highlands in the east, making it a great destination for those who enjoy the outdoors. For sailing, swimming, and sunbathing, the turquoise coast is ideal, with its picture-perfect bays and crystal-clear waters. Hot air ballooning is well known in the bizarre landscapes of Cappadocia, which provide breathtaking views of unusual rock formations and prehistoric cave settlements. A food lover's paradise, Turkey has a vibrant gastronomic scene. Turkish food is a delectable fusion of tastes, with elements of Middle Eastern, Mediterranean, and Central Asian cuisine. Kebabs, baklava, Turkish delight, and freshly made Turkish coffee are just a few of the typical foods you shouldn't miss sampling. The lesser-known regions of Turkey have their own beauty and allure in addition to the well-known attractions. The ancient ruins of Troy in the northwest and Pamukkale, with its spectacular terraces of mineral-rich waters, are just a couple of the undiscovered gems just waiting to be discovered. Turkey has a well-developed transportation system, which includes domestic aircraft, buses, and trains, making travel relatively simple. There are several lodging alternatives available in the nation, ranging from opulent resorts to affordable hostels, so there is something to suit every traveler's preferences and price range. When planning a vacation to any location, it's crucial to stay up to date on the most recent travel advice and security measures. As Turkey is a country with a large Muslim population, it is important to respect local traditions and customs. In particular, modest clothing is favored in rural and traditional areas. In conclusion, a trip to Turkey promises to be an enlightening experience that combines ancient history, stunning natural scenery, delicious food, and friendly locals, making it a place that will make a lasting impact on every tourist.